Welcome back. I'm just fitting this framework onto the underside of my new studio desk thing. And I thought I would show you these little insert nut fixings and how to use them. These are really handy for any kind of thing that you're building that you might have to take apart at a later date, or you're going to have to like dismantle it and put it back together. These things are much better than using screws, because every time you screw a screw in and take it out again, it's losing a bit of that thread in the wood, and really I would only trust it screwing into the same thread, you know, 2-3 times max before the wood's going to basically more or less disappear. So anything that you're likely to want to take to bits, and this is a prime example, because you're going to want to take the top off every time you move this. Using little insert nuts like this makes life much easier. So I'll show you how to use these. So they're pretty straightforward. Normally when you buy them it tells you what size hole to drill, but with these particular ones it didn't. But normally it's like about an 8.5 or 9mm hole. If you're not sure, just get yourself a set of calipers. So just measure all the way down to the thinnest possible part, because that's going to be the hole that you're going to drill into the wood. Let's have a look. That is, if my eyes aren't failing me again, yeah, 8.5mm. So 8.5, 9mm would do. I'd rather keep it around the 8.5 mark to get a good grip in the wood. So all you do, dead straightforward, I'm going to do this one here. Get your drill, pop a depth stop on it if possible. Just set it to the pretty much the depth of your fixing. Could I have found a blunter drill bit? And then, little trick for you here. You can get ones that either have like a hex insert thing for tightening it, or this one's got like a slotted thing. Both are a pain in the backside. Instead of that, just get a threaded screw, obviously that matches the thread on this, a machine screw. In this case it's an M6. Pop it in about halfway-ish and put a lock nut against it, like that. And just finger tighten it for the minute, we'll come back to that. And then you can get your impact driver on it. Try and get it as straight as you can get it. Undo the lock nut. That's you done. Try not to fill the thread up with sawdust. There you go, simple as that. I've done 6 of them there in, what, 5 minutes, if that. Really handy little fixings to have. As I say, as long as you're roughly there or thereabouts on the drill size, you'll be fine. Use a depth stop and use a locking nut and your impact driver to just wang it in, and they'll never come out. Really handy fixings to have around in your workshop. You can get them in brass and various other things. I would say stronger the better. You don't want them like snapping or anything. These are steel ones. Thank you for watching. See you next time.